There's the snow. It's all the way up to the bottom of our fire pit and all the way to the bottom of our garden wall. There's the pools out in it. I'm just sticking my arm out the window. Go for it, Mac. I'm watching.
Where do you want me to stick this in at?
Ooh. That sounds like an offer. Fire pit.
What's up?
Fire pit?
What are you doing, Dad?
I'm measuring the snow because this is important to your mother. Right here, babe?
No, inside the fire pit.
15 inches.
Huh, okay.
Whoa!
Is there any other useless thing you want me to do while I'm out here in the snow?
I'm gonna do it.
No, that would be it. I love you, baby.
Okay.